Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and today I will be swatching and talking about the new Essence Holo Bomb Effect nail polishes. So these are 5 new beautiful linear holographic polishes that Essence Cosmetics has just released, like I think 2 weeks ago or something like that, for their fall winter 2023 collection update. So these will at least be available for 6 months until they do their new switch up for their collection, but they might stay a little longer. But just to be safe, if you are eyeballing these, definitely run to the store, run to boozyshop.com. They ship pretty much worldwide and you can just get them for only €2.95 in euros, which is a pretty good deal for nice quality linear holographic polishes. Also, Essence Cosmetics is cruelty free. They are vegan, they don't do microplastic stuff and all that jazz. So yeah, they're very safe to use, especially if you're like me and you're actually pregnant. So yeah, if you're into that, definitely keep an eye out for them in stores or online. And yeah, let's just continue with the swatching, which I have already started. So this first one is called Ride-In Holo. It is pretty much just your regular standard silver linear holographic polish. All of the polishes I will be swatching with 2 coats just to show you what the end result will be with just 2 little streaks across the nail. I think most of them are pretty decent with 2 coats, but for some, if you want a fully 100% opaque end result, go for a 3rd coat. Because there's so much holographic pigment in these polishes, the polishes do dry really fast after applying. So that is a big plus, because not everyone has a lot of time to just sit down and do their nails for a super long time and wait for it to dry for ages. So these were dry after, I'd say 3 minutes after applying it. So that was really nice. Then the second one is called Holomoli. I always love the names that Essence come up with for their products, not only their nail polishes but also their makeup items. Holomoli is pretty much my favorite from this collection because of course it is a holographic linear holographic pink, I have to say, and it was the most opaque one from the bunch too. So with that first coat I felt like, okay, this is already 80% to 90% opaque, which is a big plus. Holographic polishes tend to be quite sheer, or at least need a lot of coats to be fully opaque, and I didn't have much issues with this specific color. I didn't have a lot of issues with all 5 colors from this specific sub collection, to be honest. I felt like they are really good quality, especially if you look at the price range that they're at and how easy they are to actually get your hands on. I've had some questions on how I feel about these compared to holographic polishes like the linear collections that Holotaco has come out with previous years. I would say if Holotaco is top tier, number 1, because they are a little bit more opaque in my opinion, but they come quite close to these by Essence. I'd say Essence has a solid 2nd place. They are really good. They are definitely better than the Born Pretty store ones I reviewed years ago, and these are actually way safer to use. There aren't any creepy ingredients in these Essence or Holotaco ones, which I kind of doubt when it comes to the Born Pretty store ones I reviewed years ago, because they had a really toxic smell and stuff, and I don't know, there was just something off about them. Even though the colors were beautiful, I would definitely suggest using cruelty-free vegan products, or not specifically vegan if that's not really your thing, but at least really safe to use items, just like Essence and Holotaco. But yeah, are they better than the Holotaco ones? I'd say no, but they come pretty close. So this 3rd color I have already swatched here is Holol, or Ho LOL. It is a light to medium purpley kind of linear holographic. Quite nice, to be honest. This entire collection, by the way, reminds me of the Holo Rainbow Glitter nail polishes that Essence came out with like 4 years ago. I don't know, maybe it was even like plus 4 years, I can't remember. I've actually done a video on those as well. I feel like the colors from that collection and this collection are quite similar, but there was actually a blue glittery one in the Holo Rainbow collection. So yeah, I don't know, I think they kind of missed out on that one in this specific like collection update. I think a blue would have been really nice. Just skip like the 5th final color, which is quite similar to the first like Ride-In Holo color, by the way. I will show you in a little bit. But yeah, a blue would have been quite nice. This 4th one is called Holo It's Me. I have to say that the name definitely does remind me of Holo Taco, or at least Christine by Simply Nailogical, because she always says that phrase. But yeah, other than that, really nice green color, and that says a lot coming from me because usually I'm not a big fan of green. But thinking of the holiday season that's coming up this December, I think it is perfect for Christmas. It's just very Christmas tree-like and just super sparkly, and of course the beautiful linear holographic shimmer that's in these is very consistent in that one as well. Then this 5th color is called Holo Me Tight, and I will show you in just a second the comparison between this one and the first color that I showed you. Like the first was a pure silver linear holographic one. This one has a little bit of a pink hue to it, but it is very similar. Like only if you get really up close and angle it in specific lighting, you will see that number 5 is a little bit more on the pink side. To be honest, I feel like it is a softer tone than the first color from this collection, but then again, as I just mentioned, I think they could have easily swatched out or switched out this one or even the first silver one for a blue. I think the collection would have been more like all round, more complete. I don't know, I just feel like this one is too similar to the silver holographic one. But yeah, you can see for yourself, especially here at the end result, that I will show all 5 nails together. I will just hold the 2 swatched nails next to each other so you can see there isn't a lot of difference. But then again, like opacity wise, it is very good with just 2 coats, even though it is a lighter shade. I do feel like these are quality wise super great, especially for only like less than €3 a bottle. Then again, they are vegan, cruelty free, safe to use, all that jazz, and who doesn't love a linear holographic nail every now and then? Especially the pink, like in my opinion, is my favorite. Then comes the purple, and then the other 3, I'd say. But yeah, really gorgeous colors. And here you can see the comparison, like the silver is just a little bit more stark. The last color is a little bit more soft, kind of champagne-y. But yeah, this was pretty much my entire new video. Let me know, what do you think about these colors? Are you thinking of picking some of these up? I would personally highly recommend you to do so if you don't have any holographic polishes yet, or you just don't have super like big budget to buy like Holo Taco nail polishes, since these are only €3 and the Holo Taco ones tend to vary from like $13 to $15. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.